Hey guys, welcome back to Click. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to use a referral code on Shein. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're new to Shein here and you're wondering how to use a reference code or referral code here that a friend or a family member actually sent you. Well, the thing with Shein here is you need to access a very specific page. So, inside the Shein app here, you want to go ahead and access the Me section at the bottom right of your screen. Now, in the Me section, you want to go and scroll down a bit here, and you want to go ahead and just look for the section here that says Services. Now, typically, it's going to be under the My Order section, just above the Join and Earn Reward section. As you can see, you should be able to see the following. It's going to be Customer Service, Check-in, Affiliate and Creator, Live, and Free Trial Center. But in this case, if your account is actually still has the capability of using referral codes, you should see an option here that says My Reference. Now, if you do see that, you want to go and just click on it, and on the next page, you should be able to see or enter the referral code that you currently have, and you'll be able to use that in your account. But the thing with this one is it's only valid for 90 days upon the creation of your account. Now, meaning if you're a new user and then you're within the 90 days time period here, you should see the My Reference. But if your account is a lot older here, you won't be able to get that option. So meaning you may need to create a new account to use the referral code, but then again, that's how you find and use your referral code. And that's about it. So, if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.